Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going quickly discuss the design of the new BMW iX, compare it to the X5 and the outgoing design language, and in the end I will try to improve or at least just create my own version of the new iX. So let's start. So here we have the so-called BMW iX production car. And just for understanding where it comes from and why it looks how it looks, we need to go back in time and quickly refresh our memories of the 2018 presented concept car, the BMW Vision iNext. As you can see, the concept relates quite strong to the current production car, even though some proportions and details are different. But let's have a closer look. First, there is a new kidney grille, which has slightly different shape on the concept car compared to the production car. Second strong element are the front lights, which are very slim in the concept car and sit above the grille. On the production car, they are positioned a bit lower than the highest point of the grille. They got thicker and longer. I guess because of all the sensors and electronic parts and also regulations, they had to do that. Third main element are the side intakes. Even though the end result of the production car is more complicated, you still have the idea of the concept car where it comes from. Fourth and fifth elements might be less iconic but still worth mentioning, like the lower intake of the bumper and the new 3D treatment around the BMW logo. Now we can quickly compare the new iX production car to the so-called outgoing model and previous design philosophy of the brand. For reference, I compare it to the X5 as it has similar size and characteristics. The main difference between the two models is obvious: the kidney grille. Previously on X5 the proportions of the grille are more horizontal, they had different shape and it was partially active. The darker elements of the X5 grille could open and close depending on the airflow needed for the engine. Next big difference are the lights. On the X5 there is no connection to the grille and they are less elongated. The third difference are graphical division of the front bumper, as on the iX the lower part and the side intake graphics are connected. On the X5 they are separated. Now we come to the last topic of this video, where I'm trying to improve or just create a different version of the iX model. As always, I start with an accent color on a darker layer and sketch my initial ideas around the different elements of the front. In my proposal, I'm trying out a smaller and more compact kidney grille, less elongated lights and slightly different side intake solution. Further, I proceed with a precision tool called Path Tool in Photoshop. Some parts of the front, like grille or lights, I simply cut out from the original model and resize it to the needed new graphics. Elements like side intakes are made completely from scratch, as the reference graphics are completely different to my end idea. At the end I connected the smaller kidney grille as it gives it more horizontal and balanced look. Overall, the design idea was to simplify the front face but keep the appearance and feeling of the new brand direction. If you like the content so far, please hit the like button to help the algorithm to find my videos, and consider subscribing to my channel, as I'm planning to create more content in the future. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.